In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can apply to become an Uber Eats driver in the UK. Now, in order to become an Uber Eats driver in the UK, you must first visit the Uber Eats website. And from here, we can just scroll down to the very bottom of the page. And we want to look for this option that says sign up to deliver. So click on this, and from there, we're now on the Uber driver page. So in order to get started, we just want to sign up by clicking this button here. And from here, we can enter in our phone number or email, or we can log in with Google, Apple or Facebook. So I'm just going to choose to log in with Google. So I've signed in with Google, but it's still asking for your phone number so that it can verify you. So go ahead and do that first and then click update. From here, you just want to answer some of the questions that they ask you. And the first one is, where would you like to earn? So in here, you want to enter in the area where you live. And I've just chosen London. And from here, you can enter in a referral code if you have one. But if not, we can go ahead and click next. We then have to choose how we want to earn with Uber. And since we're trying to be an Uber Eats driver, we can scroll down and we can choose either Uber Eats bicycle, Uber Eats motorbike, or Uber Eats car. So you want to choose whichever one is easiest for you, and you can just select it and then click continue. And from here, you will need to do a few things to finish setting up your account, and that includes going through the onboarding process, uploading a profile photo, uploading your driver's license, giving them your proof of right to work in the UK or Ireland, showing them recent bank statements, confirming your motor insurance, agreeing to the legal agreements, as well as going through a background check. Now, I'm not going to cover all of these in the video because this is pretty straightforward from now on. You simply just have to click on the section which you want to go through, and from here they will tell you everything that you will need to do, as well as all the things they need from you. And once you've done that, you will have successfully applied to be an Uber Eats driver in the UK. So that's how you can register as an Uber Eats driver in the UK. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.